Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just got my mom the Ring Spotlight Cam battery. Got this off Amazon, obviously, because Amazon owns Ring. So this is pretty much what I got. I'm gonna do a unboxing of it right now. This is a close-up of the box. Okay. Yeah, I know, I wish it was brighter, but it's a rainy day outside, so we don't have a nice bright background. But yeah, 1080p, two-way talk, motion detection, rechargeable battery, Wi-Fi connected, and snapshot capture. This is their story. If you really care to read that, you can pause that. I don't know. Yeah. And then this is the back. Configurable motion detection, it says, theft protection, motion activated LED spotlights. This one has spotlights built in, which is really cool. Snapshot capture, like we already said, video recording, quick release rechargeable battery pack, water resistant design because it is made for outdoors, adjustable mounting bracket. Hopefully we can mount it good enough on my wall. You guys are going to see a whole review of me installing it and the purpose of why we want to install it, and hope it's going to work for our purpose without it, because they don't make a bracket to make this come farther away from the wall yet. They only make brackets for like the gutter and stuff like that, so they don't make a bracket that can make this come out a couple of inches or tilt it a little bit, just in case I only want to get one side of my house. So I have not seen that on the internet yet. So that's it, yeah, so I haven't seen that. It has infrared night vision is what it says right here, and says Wi-Fi connected. Obviously that I read that to you. Smart security at every corner is what it says. And that's it, that's pretty much it. So let's get this open, see what we got here, and see what it looks like. These are the technical specs if you want to see those, and pause that real quick. Okay, and alright, so it comes very simple looking. It comes like this in the box. That's how it comes. So this slides out. This is your camera, obviously. Like I said, it has the lights on the side, which is pretty cool. Here's your little, I guess, ball knob adjuster to point in different directions. This must be the, the photo sensor or whatever, or not photo sensor, but this must be the motion sensor. So it senses the motion, when to turn on and when to turn off. They do have these buttons that are in the back. I think they are to release the battery. So I think if I hit this, the battery compartment opens, see? So the battery compartment opens like that when you hit that button right there. It has two slots, so you can put two batteries in it, and you're supposed to be able to get, I think, what? 6 months or so, I think, on the batteries. If you put two in, I think you're supposed to get 6 months, or maybe up to a year, I'm not sure. You're not going to get that much. It depends on how many times this thing turns on and off. I've seen reviews where people need to charge it after like 45 days. So it all depends on, if you have a lot of movement, animals running all night, and this thing is just turning on and off and on and off, and you have the lights working, then obviously everyone's going to have a different outcome of how long it's going to last you. But it does come with a rubber seal in here, so you can see it is weatherproof, weather resistant. I don't know about weatherproof, probably weather resistant. So that just snaps back in like that, like so, I think, right? Yep, snaps back in just like that. Doesn't look like it went in that good, but there we go, that one looks better, okay. Oh, so the bottom is the solar panel screws. Over here is what it's saying. The bottom is the solar panel screws. When installing solar panel screws, use 7.5 millimeter or shorter. risk of danger is what it says. So that's what it's saying. And I think that's it. That's it. That pretty much is what comes in the box with that. Now let's open up the bottom of here and see what we got here. Say hello to Ring, your little Ring packet to read through and scan the barcode and download the app and do all that mumbo jumbo that we're going to have to do soon. Here's the Ring Spotlight Cam. I guess this is the little charge the battery, set everything up, all that other stuff. It's supposed to tell you when it's charged and not charged, obviously. There's a green charged and red that means it's charging. So that's how you know if it's charged. I guess the light will turn green. So everything else looks pretty simple in here though, like I just showed you with the battery that slides in. So they give you a drill bit. This is a masonry drill bit they give you. I think it probably is the biggest piece of crap in the world. I doubt it's like a Bosch drill bit. I usually use Bosch diamond tip drill bits to drill into masonry, and they work really good with a hammer drill. This will probably burn out probably after 4 holes, and I only need 4 holes. And as long as I don't have to hit the brick in my house. If I have to hit the brick, it's going to wear this down really quick. If I can get inside the grout, then it'll be a little bit easier. So if you can aim for the grout when you're using this, that'll be a good thing as much as possible. If one or two have to hit the brick, it is what it is. But like I said, this is not going to last long at all. This is just to probably get you through these 4 holes. And if you mess these 4 holes up, then this thing's probably not going to work anymore. Now here's what the base looks like that we were talking about. This is what the base is going to look like. There's the 4 holes right there. And I'm not sure if it goes this way or this way, but it looks like it would go this way. And then, yeah, that wouldn't work. So it has to go this way. Oh, okay, so it has to go this way. So hopefully we can get a lot of, I'm hoping, see, it looks like it goes this way into the wall like this. So this faces down. But I'm hoping that we can get a big enough turn left or right to focus where we want to do it. Because like I said, I did not see any extensions on Amazon that will make this left or right that I can put on the wall to make it stick out like maybe an extra, I don't know, inch. 1 inch would have been perfect. I could have did a lot of damage with a 1 inch, or even a ½ inch. Honestly, a ½ inch still would have did it. You know what I mean? Anything. So yeah. Anyway, maybe someone will come out with that hopefully, or maybe they already have it as a third party. Here's the charging USB cable. It's a regular USB to a small micro USB. So I mean, it's really a standard kind of plug. This only looks probably about maybe 2 feet long, 3 foot long the most. So it doesn't look that long at all. So if you have ones laying around the house for your phone and your tablet or longer, then you can use that one instead. Here's the screws and the anchors they give you in here. So they give you the screws and the anchors, which obviously I never use. I like to use my own screws and anchors that I know are going to hold a lot better and are a lot thicker. And sometimes I'll even use stainless steel screws outside. So this way I won't have to worry about them ever rusting and looking like crap, or just rusting out anything on the plastic base. So that's pretty much what we have right here is the mounting screws for outside. This is the, I guess this is for the solar panel maybe, I'm not sure. This goes in the back right here, I don't know where this goes. Because all you do is screw this in and snap this in and then tighten that and you're done. So I don't know exactly where this goes yet, but it looks like it goes somewhere on the back. This might be for the solar panel, I'm not sure. And then the battery comes in here. Okay, it is. Okay. So here's the battery right here. And this is how big it is compared to my hand. Compared to the drill bit, I guess you could say how big it is, how thick it is. It says a 3.65 volt. I'll just put it up to the thing. Hopefully you can see it. So those are the that's the specs on the battery. Okay. So I'm going to show you how the battery slides in. We'll see how that is. Here's the screwdriver right here. They give you a screwdriver that's a double-sided screwdriver. One side is for using the screws, using these screws, which I don't exactly know what they are for yet. I'll mention that in the next video, or I'll look through the directions real quick. Let me see. And that's to screw that in. There's no other screws on here that I can see. So, I mean, unless I'm missing something, but... Oh, yeah, you're right, to flip this around. Okay. So let's see how easy this slides in. I think it only goes in one way. It slides in like that, and then it snaps in. There's a little button that says push. You can't get that wrong. It blinks a little bit and does all kinds of stuff. I'm going to charge this, obviously, and then we'll set it up and see how we can set it up. I'll read the directions a little bit better. But I'm going to pull that out now. We're going to give this a good charge. Hopefully it can charge with just a 5 amp charger, and it should be good. When you put the lid on, you just got to make sure you snap this in properly, because otherwise it won't seal. And I notice it's not as easy as you would think. See? You gotta like really get it in there. There we go. So you gotta play with it a little bit to get it in. See, I still don't even like the way it feels. It still doesn't even feel like it's all the way in. Anyway, so we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna get this charged up for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back and we'll see if we can set it up on the app, or see if we could just turn it on the phone. I don't have my mom's new phone, so I can't set it up on her new phone yet. I'm not sure when it comes, but I would rather set it up on the new phone instead of wasting time. But I'm gonna go give this a charge. This just plugs in right here, as so. And then this is gonna plug right into the wall, and that's it. And then we're gonna wait until this thing turns green, and it's gonna tell us when it's done being charged. I don't see where the green light is, but there they are. The lights are on the front right there. Okay? Alright, so that's it for the unboxing review of it. We're going to do a setup review next. You're going to see that in a minute. I don't know if I want to make the video this long, so I guess we'll come back and we'll do a setup, and we'll just make it one video. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.